Hey, look at this. It's running smooth. No cut off at all. Even under load, it's stable. So what trend? Because before this, it couldn't even run. So here's the thing. A while ago, this battery pack couldn't even handle the load. It would drop voltage and shut off almost instantly. And the problem? One weak cell. So instead of replacing it right away, I wanted to try something first. I tried to bring that cell back and see if it could actually work again. So, let me show you exactly what I did. Firstly, we need to find the weak cell again. These are fine, and this one, yeah, this is the problem. The voltage dropped below 3 volts, and the BMS shut the whole part there. That's why it stopped working. Now, there are two ways we can fix it. Number one, we replace the weak cell pair with a matching set. Same type, similar capacity. Option 2. We carefully bring the voltage of this weak pair back up, so it matches the rest of the park. To keep things simple, I'm going to try the second option first. Let's bring these cells back up to voltage and see how the pack behaves. Look at the power supply I mentioned before. I'm going to connect this weak cell pair to the power supply I showed earlier. Right now, the good cells are sitting at around 4.1 volts. So what we want to do is bring this weak pair up to the same level. That way everything in the park is balanced again. Alright, let's do it. Here we are, alright, moment of truth. Let's test the pack again. Here we go. That's already better. The voltage is holding. Much more stable than before. Before, it dropped almost instantly. Now, it's actually keeping up. That's huge difference. So, bringing that weak cell back up actually worked. Same battery pack, but now it actually performs like it should. But keep in mind, this only works if the other cells are still healthy. If multiple cells are bad, repair might not be worth it. So sometimes you don't need a new battery. You just need to fix the right problem. I test and fix batteries like this all the time. So if you want to see what's really going on inside them, hit subscribe. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day.